You guys are gonna be YouTube famous.
The camera or not.
Yeah, I know. I was like,
hey guys, it's Avery. So, yeah, okay. These are two of my best friends, Trez and Sydney. And we wanted to do the best friend tag because we're gonna be spending a lot of time together and there are gonna be a lot of videos because we're going to California together. So we're just gonna answer questions and you can get to know them better and probably me better too. So when and how did we first meet? So me and Trez, we first met in elementary school. We were good friends in elementary school. She went to all my birthday parties.
Skate City.
Yeah, but then I think it's really cool because then, I mean, yes, we stopped being friends for a little bit, but then like we found our way back to each other. And then me and Sydney,
the beginning of this year.
yeah, we met at the beginning of our senior year because she just moved here from California. If you go any place on earth, where would it be and why?
Australia, because of the hot guys and their accents. 100%.
All's good. California, because of the hot guys, and it's California.
Honolulu, or actually anywhere in Hawaii, because I went there, actually I think it was like exactly a year ago I went there, and it's like the most magical place on earth. What is your favorite color? I actually don't know that.
Blue.
What about you? Blue?
Pink.
And mine is red. Okay, I'm doing that one. But what is your our favorite food? Like together, like if we're gonna go out to eat, where would we go? Not sushi.
Chick-fil-A or In-N-Out.
If we had one here.
Yeah.
I would say if we would go out, it would be
Where do we go?
Tropical Smoothie Cafe.
Yeah.
There's this place where like they make the best smoothies ever.
And they're like,
they're huge. You can get them for like $5, and then they have like happy hour. You can get them for $2.50. But their sandwiches are really good too. Did you guys have sandwiches?
No, I tried yours, I think, though.
It was good.
So Tropical Smoothie Cafe. What is your best friend's biggest fear? Okay, I'm gonna guess them. I'm probably gonna get them wrong.
Okay, yeah, I guess so.
I don't know.
Okay.
I don't even know mine.
I don't know mine either.
I'd love to hear what
Just
you
pick
think.
one. Just pick one. So I know it's not heights for either one of you because you both fly on planes and like I'm sure you don't have a problem with it. So spiders.
No, they're so cute.
Spiders are cute.
No,
okay,
they're
yours
like
spiders.
Spiders.
Okay,
Yes.
Well, spiders don't like scare me where I like
literally
kill.
flip
Oh, you
shit
tough.
if there's a
Yeah,
spider.
I'm a tough cookie.
Okay, so spiders, and then like just fear of being like alone.
Drowned.
Claustrophobic.
No,
Caught on fire.
I'm scared of dying.
Yeah, okay.
Not really,
Okay.
but I'm like just the idea of it is scary. I'd
Okay,
say.
yeah, I get that. If your best friend were deserted on an island, what are 3 things that she could not live without? Okay, it would be your phone, your phone, a cozy blanket.
A cozy blanket.
Yeah.
I'm deserted on an island. I just
Yeah,
want a blanket
yeah.
and my phone.
Coffee.
I could live without 2 of the 3, but yeah, I like it.
Okay. And for you, your phone, your camera.
Yes. I
Okay.
didn't even think about that.
What part of your best friend's body is their favorite? You love your hair.
Yes.
You love your hair too.
They both love their hair. They have the longest hair
Yeah.
ever. Okay, which is your best friend's favorite season and why? Summer, because it's warm. Yeah, yours too.
Yeah.
Summer, because it's warm. What's mine?
Fall.
Spring. Winter.
Spring.
No,
Yay.
you're lying.
No.
Alright.
I love fall. I love fall, but like spring, like I love when it's getting warmer. It's like not all the way there, but it's getting there, and then like the flowers and everything, when everything blooms, that's just, I love that. What is your best friend's dream job?
You don't know mine because I don't know my dream job.
A model for Averee.
Yeah,
That's
I
your
could
dream
do
job,
that.
a model for
I like
Averee.
Averee.
And your dream job?
Something about women's rights.
Yeah, yeah. What
Maybe
part
I'm
about your best friend do you admire the most? I love your laugh, and I love how...
No, you don't. You hate my laugh.
No,
you always laugh all the time.
No, I'll call her, and I'll be talking to her, and she'll just be laughing for no reason. I'm like, Trez, stop laughing. I'm trying to talk to you. And then she just keeps laughing, like right now.
Yeah.
I just love your laugh, and just like how free-spirited you are. And then for Sydney, okay, I just love like your perspective on life.
Yeah.
And just how like you don't care about anything.
You don't care about anything.
No, you care about people and stuff. I mean,
But-
like you don't care about others' opinions, and
Yeah.
like you
Yeah.
you do what you want, and you don't think twice about it.
Yeah, do it. Do it.
No.
No, we don't care. Do it. Just do it.
Okay, they chose this question, okay? They chose this question for me to do. What is one thing that annoys you most about your best friend? Okay, actually it's like the opposite of what I admire about you. I hate when I call you and you're laughing. And you won't stop laughing.
I'm so confused.
I'm so confused now.
But then for you, like, there's nothing that annoys me.
Oh wow.
Oh, yeah?
There isn't.
Are you sure?
I guess I'm just annoying because I laugh.
Therese is annoying, I guess.
Yeah.
There's literally nothing that annoys me about you.
Yeah, I'm pretty damn fine.
Yeah, no.
Well, I love you.
I love you. Okay, between the three of us, who takes longer to get ready? You.
Yeah,
What?
definitely you.
100% you.
How long does it take you guys to get ready?
Like, maybe 1 minute.
It takes you like 20,
No.
probably.
Okay, it takes me about 20.
Yeah,
It
I'd
takes
say
me like
it.
25.
It
Yeah,
shouldn't.
okay.
I literally separate each eyelash when I get
Oh
ready.
yeah.
Like
What?
I separate
Yeah.
every single eyelash because I hate when they're clumped up.
So what concerts has your best friend been to? So for you, you've been to the Lumineers. Oh, and then for you, I wouldn't even know.
I've been to like countless amount of concerts. not
Okay, what about me? If you
Taylor
get the
Swift,
majority, just
literally,
get the majority.
Halsey, Taylor Swift.
Again.
Yeah.
Taylor Swift again.
Taylor Swift, Taylor Swift, Taylor Swift, Taylor Swift.
Okay, yeah, Taylor Swift, 5 Seconds of Summer.
Oh yeah, I was gonna say that.
Halsey, Selena Gomez.
Oh, Miley
Cyrus.
Cyrus. Hannah Montana.
Okay, yeah, Hannah Montana. That was so long
Naked
ago.
Brother Band.
Jonas Brothers. What? No,
Oh.
I didn't
Guys,
see
I
them.
met the Jonas Brothers.
What?
I met them.
Shut
I
up.
was like outside and they were like, "Do you want to meet the Jonas Brothers?" And I was like, "Yeah." And then I literally just went backstage. Like I did not pay for it at all. They were just like, "Come here." I was like,
What?
"Yeah."
Ooh, what's your best friend's favorite animal? You guys can do this because I
Whale.
literally just told you.
Whale.
Whale.
Oh crap! You already said it.
Yeah. Ooh, I have no idea. Like a koala, maybe?
That's mine.
Really?
my
Okay,
God.
koala. Ghost.
No.
What? Dolphins? Cats? Oh yeah, cats.
Yeah.
Well, I love cats too, but like...
What was your guys' first impression?
Yes. Okay.
You were awesome.
Oh well, yeah.
Oh yeah, what I said, like, you didn't get
And I
that
wanted
anything.
to be your friend.
Do you
That's
remember?
what no,
I was...
because I felt really sad that you had, like, this
Yeah.
sounds weird, but I felt sad that you had, like,
Move
moved here for
Yeah,
your last
same.
year.
I would not
so
have
I
been
was
able to
like,
do that.
I just wanted you.
Okay, but do you remember, I was thinking about this last night, do you remember when, like, we saw each other a lot, like, when you first got here, but it'd always be, like, just, like, brief, and, like, and then be like, oh, we're gonna be best friends
Yeah,
and
yeah,
everything,
we
and then,
used
like,
to
we
always say
didn't
that.
talk for, like, a straight month, like, at
Yeah.
all, we didn't talk, and then now, like, you actually are one of my best friends, and then we
Yeah.
wouldn't talk, but
'Cause,
now,
like,
like, we actually are best
I
friends.
went through like phases of people, and then I was like, okay, I don't
But
really
then
like
she
you.
found her true
Yeah.
Wisconsin friends.
And then like I like asked you guys, I was like, let's hang out.
So that's basically it for the best friend tag, and now they get to be in my channel. So
Yeah.
don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and what else do you say? I will see you next time.
See
Say
you next
goodbye.
time.
Bye.
This is Sydney out.
This is
Averee
Fred.
out.
Out.
Done.